Right, so let's get right in. What if you could build software that works while you sleep? Imagine a program that automatically sends emails, fills forms, renames files, or even manages your business tasks without you touching your keyboard. In this video, I'll show you how automation software is actually made, from idea to finished product. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down the complete process of building automation software, even if you're a beginner. We'll cover planning, choosing the right programming language, writing the code, testing it, and finally turning it into a real application. Step 1. Find a repetitive task. The first rule of automation is simple. If you repeat a task often, automate it. Examples: renaming hundreds of files, sending daily emails, copying data between Excel sheets, downloading reports, posting content on social media. The more repetitive the task, the better it is for automation. Step 2. Choose your programming language. For beginners, Python is one of the best choices. Why? Easy to learn, huge library support, works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Useful libraries include Selenium, browser automation, PyAutoGUI, mouse and keyboard control, pandas, Excel and CSV data, requests, API automation.
Step 3. Write the logic. Every automation program follows the same pattern. Get input, process the information, and perform the task automatically. Save or display the result. Example: instead of manually sending 100 emails, your software loops through a contact list and sends each email automatically. Step 4. Test everything. This is the most important part. Test: does it work correctly? What happens if the internet disconnects? What if a file is missing? Does it handle errors without crashing? Professional software always includes error handling. Step 5. Create a user interface. If you want other people to use your automation software, build a simple interface. Popular tools: tkinter, PyQt, custom tkinter. A clean interface makes your software look professional.
Step 6. Convert it into an app. Now package your Python project into an executable file. Tools like PyInstaller, AutoPy-to-exe. This allows users to run the software without installing Python. Step 7. Monetize your automation software. You can earn money by selling automation tools for businesses, freelancers, content creators, e-commerce stores. You can also offer custom automation services or sell your software with a monthly subscription. Automation is one of the most valuable skills in today's tech world. Start with small projects, improve your coding skills, and soon you'll be building software that saves hours of work every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment automation if you want a complete Python automation course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.